this PS4 Pro here, as soon as you plug into the power, what I'm doing now, it beeps like it's overheating. So let's open it up and see what's going on. Okay guys, yeah, so I stepped it down a little bit, not all the way. I'm just saying some funny stuff here already. Well, if you look here, which I don't think is an issue, but it could be. So if we look here by the disk reader or the laser connector, there's something going on there, right? So that's one. Usually when there's a beep like that, it's the south bridge, but today we'll start here and see if something changes. It could be just this and that's it. So there's a short somewhere, something is not working properly. So let's clean up. Okay, I'm spinning it around so we have a better angle. Okay, I think the lighting is the issue here. Yeah, so let's just I'll use this. I don't have a metal brush, so I'll use this and remove whatever's there. I don't want to replace this connector here. Here we go. Okay, let's just try to put a solder iron there to make life a little bit easier. Okay, it's not looking that pretty, but it's a little bit of heat. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there we go. Well, it should be fine already. Yeah, should be okay. Okay, let's just plug in and see if we're getting a change there. Okay, I'll plug in now and see if the beep's still there, if it still beeps. Yep, it's still beeping. So this wasn't the issue, apparently. So yeah, let's open the whole thing, but I'm mostly aiming to replace this south bridge here. Okay guys, here's a surprise here. This thing is yucky. This thing don't look good. Yeah, this thing don't look good, but still I don't think it's supposed to beep without power. So it's been, I don't know, right now it's winter, so if you stay somewhere cold, way colder, you'll be having this type of issues here. If you look here also, yeah, that's a mess. So we need to clean up this whole thing. Actually, it's best to put into water. We might have bad cups, or everything will just be fine, it's just not looking good. You never know with these machines here. So this will take some cleaning, and then I'll be back. Yeah, so visual inspection. Okay, I'll clean it up, and then we'll test again. Clean up, we'll test for short. If there are no short, fire it up again and see what's up. Yeah, it's very bad. It's very bad. So I don't know if somebody did drop some water in it, which it looks like it. But it will just be the weather doing its thing. Climate change. Yeah, I know. Okay, let me just let's do this. So as usual, start by using our brush. As I was saying, it might look bad, but everything will be okay, even though it looks bad. See, it's looking better already. Okay, let's move here by the port here. Does look bad, but it's okay. It could be okay. Okay, let's look at the desktop area. It's done the rain again. Let's see. Okay, let's just do some testing. If you're getting a short, I wanted to put it into the back of the water, but it looks like you might not need it. Okay, let's see. That's alright. That's okay. No short. Yep. Even though it looks bad, but it's okay. They are okay. Okay, that's a fuse there. Let's see. Fuse is perfect. Okay, that's my phone there. Let's look at the back here, because I know those things are supposed to get power only when the console switches on. So. Okay. Yeah, probably fine. I really don't think the problem is there, even though it looks bad. So, okay, we've applied some isopropyl there. I'll just have to reflow this, but they don't look okay. They're not shorting actually, so even if it looks bad, but it's not shorting. So let's apply some isopropyl on this side too. what I usually do when like things are rusting like this, I put it into water, just let it sit there for an hour, something like warm water, and clean it up. Let it dry, or put it on the workstation, or let it dry for a while. And then we'll come back and test it out. So, I'm suspecting it is a south bridge. We will test it again now and see if it still beeps. Yeah, these are the area of concern. Yep. Okay. What I need to do now? Let me take that power supply out and test it out. Okay, guys. Let's see if there is if the beep will continue here. See? Yep, as I said, it's still beeping. So let's take this south bridge off, and then yeah, let's take this south bridge off and put another one in, because usually that's the case. So I don't think this area has nothing to do with that, because I know this area gets power when the console switches on. So well, okay, now when it comes to removing the south bridge on the Pro, well, I think I didn't clean here. Let me see, I forgot to clean this area here. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, still beeping. Okay, so when it comes to removing the south bridge, since it's on the bottom of the console, what I like to do, usually just take this aluminum tape, okay, just try the area, take the aluminum tape. I hope I cut it big enough. Yeah, looks like I managed to get it just enough. So always put it this way here, just to avoid this thing moving around, because it might end up with rebolling or replacing the south bridge and rebolling the CPU afterward. So yeah, so I'll put it this way here and flip the console upside down, put it on the machine. Which one is it? 36, I think. Should be 36. It's the old machines there. Okay, yeah, 36. So we'll take this 36 out and put another one. Okay, as you can see here, we're almost there. I use the Xbox 360 profile in almost everything. So it works on almost everything on it available, so except PlayStation, like CPUs and stuff. Push a little bit too hard there. Let's clean up this motherboard. Already have pre-balled the south bridge. So So we just need to clean this up and she'll be good to go. Actually, when it's like this, you have to cut this so that you don't need your solder iron has more heat. Otherwise, you have a longer. The longer this thing gets, the longer it takes for the solder iron to heat it up. So it's always best to cut it. Yeah, we're almost there. Okay, let's go back to the machine and resolder this thing. Yeah, so this is the other south bridge that I'm putting on. Yeah, similar model, and this point here is where you align it as a reference. Okay, see you on the machine there. Hello? Hello? I did apply flux on places where they could be rust. Somewhere here. No, I didn't apply there. I also went and applied flux just to protect this area here, so there are no issues there whatsoever. And also, you can see I also reconstructed this area here. So just apply flux on top of it. That should protect that area there. Yeah, so it's basically that. So they just apply power and see if it'll beep. There's the power supply. Like that. Oh, also, I did remove this when I was deballing, so I put it back up. So that speaker there. Okay, let's see if it'll beep. Yeah, doing it wrong. Okay. Yeah, so it's plugged in, and let's wait for it. Yeah, still not beeping. This will be good. Let's just see. Okay, let's put it in place and then we'll see what's happening. Also, yeah, you can see there's corrosion all over the place there. I need to open here and also see if there is dust or something, because the client was complaining about the system overheating. So sure, the system overheating was maybe just due to the south bridge going bad, but yeah. Okay, we just want to see the light coming on at least. Okay, it's got a bit. That's good. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Switch patterns plugged in, and I think the light is what, this one here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and we're gonna get a blue light. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, guys, the stop which was the issue and the problem solved. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.